So this is Allora. Dates back to pre-Roman times. Incredible but true. The Phoenicians were living here. That means that 2,000 years ago, there were people in this settlement. Here we go. Welcome to the ride. El Torcal. El Torcal and the Cara. Welcome to Allora, the gateway to Caminito del Rey, as it's called, even though I never come through Allora to get to Caminito del Rey. But from the coast, yeah, then you can come through Allora. And if you don't know what Caminito del Rey is, it's a very famous walk that they renovated. It used to be like the most dangerous walk in Europe, I think. Until they did renovate it. But they did such a good job renovating it. They built a beautiful swinging bridge and its dramatic landscape. If you like to hike and if you like beautiful scenery, it's a must-see. It's just absolutely stunning. I think I might be on the wrong road. On the wrong road, on the wrong road. Okay, it doesn't matter. I just went a bit out of my way. Okay. Glad it's not this road, because this road is nothing exciting. Good. That looks more like it, doesn't it? Where are we going to, my lovely? What is that? Let's go and have a look. Oh, f***. Don't think I'm going to be able to do that. Let's see if someone would help me. That was careless, eh? Careless. Buen día. Tengo buen fin de. Gracias. What lovely people, eh? So kind of them to help me. And me going and dropping my bike. Terrible. Let's have a look. Hola, buenos días. Look at that. Behind those rocks there is the lakes of El Chorro and Caminito del Rey. Over there is El Torcal. Between El Torcal and the lakes is La Joya. And behind us is Carratraca, where we're going. Right, vamos. Can you imagine if you hadn't given me my gloves back? I would be in exactly the same situation as in the last ride, and I'd have to go home again without seeing Carratraca. So that would be hugely annoying. Anyway, he was nice. He gave them back. Vamos. Come off. Off. Oh, it's not them. I just beeped them, but it wasn't them. Here we go. If you like the channel, please consider subscribing and give me a like, because it helps the algorithm. And I say thank you. Thank you for coming along with me. It's so wonderful, isn't it? I mean, look. I am blessed to live in such a beautiful area. And it's very exciting every time I go out, just because I love it so much. Taking my bike test 1 week before my 57th birthday was life-changing. And if you want to do something and you're hesitating, just remember that that fear is not just yours. Everyone gets it. Doubt, insecurities. It doesn't mean you can't do it. It doesn't mean you can't get where you want to go. You can. And that's what I'm here to share. That we can do it. We can live our true lives, true to who we are. Whatever it is you want, go get it. And exploring the world. Woohoo! Carratraca Campus. This is the one. This is more like it. I have to put away in third because I can't reach the floor with my right leg. And if we can, we're going to try and go up to those windmills up by track, but I don't know what kind of state the track will be in, and I don't know if I'll get that, but we'll see. When we're going to go, if it looks doable. I just want to appreciate this amazing scenery. Woo-hoo! It just reminds me of dinosaur era. You could imagine when those big dinosaurs stepping out from the rocks. Look. Let's put the camera up so you can see the waterfall, maybe. See the waterfall? Let's look at it from here. I wonder how old that bridge is. Because Allora dates back to pre-Roman times. And Carratraca, although they haven't discovered a name from Roman times, they've discovered Roman coins there. So they believe that the Carratraca was a place that the Romans used. Because in Carratraca, where we're going now, it only has 850 inhabitants, which is so cute, right? But it's got healing sulfur waters. And in the mid-19th century, I can't stop looking at the views. In the mid-19th century, they built the Spa Hotel, which was a luxury place for the elite. And Lord Byron went there, and he went there as among lots of other people, Queen Elizabeth II of Spain. So that's actually Queen Isabella. But it's the second, she went to these healing waters. So this spa hotel is a real attraction from all over. And it closed in COVID times and went into bankruptcy. Last year they paid off all the debt, which was $3.5 million. So they're out of bankruptcy, out of solvency, and now they're looking to reopen, but it is actually closed at the moment. But amazing, right? A little village of 800 inhabitants with such a prominent story, which dates back also probably to Roman times. So exciting. And this amazing road, not maintained. It's just a broken old road that's no longer used. Best kind for us, Let's have a look. What a view. It's beautiful. I just can't put it into words. Oh look, and there's some vultures. We're being spoiled. Look at them. Can you see them? Oh, I love it so much. The road has fallen away, but it doesn't say road closed. No, road's not closed. Jurassic Park, here we come. Another funny story about Carratraca is that the town hall, which is called the Ayuntamiento, the town hall is in a neo-Arabic building, which was built also in the 1800s, like the 19th century, by a well-known aristocrat, by a philanthropist rather. And she built it in the neo-Arabic style because at the time that was the height of fashion, to show that you had wealth and opulence and luxury. So she built this amazing villa for herself, and now it is the centre, the town hall of the village. I'm not sure whether to call it village. It's a town, but it's only got 800 people, so it must be a village, mustn't it? The ongoing debate, village or town. It's a pueblo.